Hello friends, how are you doing? I am Prachi and today I am going to give you kind of my own review about snacks available around my home. And I am having a great sweet tooth and I am always into dense kind of snacking. So I thought I'll give you a very quick and honest review about what I like, what I don't like. So here is first thing which I already opened by mistake. This one is Dylan Tarte chocolate, and this one is a product of let me check, Tunisia, and the actually I had a bite, so this one is like that. So actually product looked like this and it just looked like this. And let me have another bite for you. And as I feel that it is good. Mm. Too good, very buttery, and really great taste and well baked. It really feels like it comes from a very star kind of bakery and amazingly soft. Crust is not very crunchy, it is very soft, maybe because it is too buttery. Mm, from my side, 10 out of 10 for this snacks. So here is my second snacks. This is again from Dylan Company, Madeline, and this is from again Tunis. And as you can see, and let me check how it is. And actually, some of them I have already tried to be very honest, and some of them I bought last night. So this is how it looks, but it is big in size. To be very frank, for one real, it is pretty big and smells too good. Mm. Mm. Very good taste. Thumbs up, and orange flavor is there. And it's a plain Madeleine and with orange flavor. But I cannot feel that almond powder or something like that, which is I guess main ingredient for Madeleines. But this one is too good. And here we go with our third snack. It says hyper classic, but it is a wafer. I guess I can read it on the corners. That hyper classic wafer. And this one is from Prestige Company, and as it says, it is from Bulgaria. So let us see how it goes. And it says it is a big deal, means they are giving little extra. And let me check. Huh? So obviously it is okay. It is broken, but okay. Let me check. Huh? Mm. The wafer is crunchy. It is full of chocolates, and somehow it's too sweet. So if you really like very high quality, very high sweetened products, this is for you. That crunch is perfect. Chocolate is amazing, and layers are actually fully coated with the chocolate. And I can give 8 out of 10 for this snack, but quality is too good, no doubt. Quality is too good. But somehow I'm not. I was because I am into more into other kind of Lockers wafers. So obviously, if you are addicted to Lockers wafers, so you can see that nobody can be satisfied from other kind of wafers. But for me, it is 8 out of 10. Crystal sugar candy from Iran. It says some Danish, and let me see how it is. But it looks good, so very cute and kind of lollipop kind of thing, but it is like a crystal candy. So let me check how it is. Wow, so pretty. It looks like a chandelier, isn't it? Mm-hmm. Too hard. I suggest not for very little kids, but yeah, you can lick it. Mm. Kind of okay, just I can taste sugar only, and not like not I cannot taste much more flavors, maybe because I am already snacking upon things, but quality is very high. Guys, I have never seen this kind of wooden stick. Number one, wooden stick. Number two, preparation is very good. It is not crunched or crumbled, because maybe because the sugar is sticked very well to the stick, and I think they have some equipment to make it very strong, and still I'm not able to munch into it and to break it. That means it is good for long duration licking and sucking. This one is too good, but the only thing is that flavor is less. The only and only you can all you can feel is sugar in your mouth. That's it. But quality is too good. Wooden steak and packing is very cute. Okay, now here is my fifth snack of the day. This is called Maz. It says dried sour cherry, but this one is small pack and this one is 2 real. And quantity is good. Quantity is good, if you can see, and it is almost half packet, but it is good because cherries, they dried up and they anything. Let me try it. It says sour cherry, and I'm not a fan of very sour things, so I feel I'm always into sweet things. So let me check how it is. Let me check another one. This looks like a, yeah, it's dried cherry. This is a little bit salty and but juicy. And if you are into sour kind of thing, very mild, little sweetened taste, very mild, but sour and salty. And you can add it to your salads and all, if you really believe in having some kind of difference to your salads and all. What I feel, but I loved it, and this is kind of value for money because half packet is all very thickly full, and it really gives you value for money. From my side, 10 of 10, because it is very different, and I never had dried cherries ever. So for me, 10 of 10, 10 out of 10, and I loved it. Once in a while, we can try it. Um, the company name is Shirin Asal. This is Tiny Top Cake. So as you can see, Tiny Top Cake, and it says, I guess it's strawberry flavor, because I can see strawberry over it. Strawberry is there, and let me check from where it is. And it is from Shirin Asal Food, and it is from Tabriz, Iran. Let me check. Iran products are Iran chips are very good, and right now I don't have any excess. Otherwise, I could have showed you. Their fruit lather comes in very long strips and very amazing. And okay, the cake looks like this, and let me take another bite. Hmm. It is just for topping, I guess, not inside. Oh, little red color is there. I guess this is the essence or something. But from my side, 10 out of 10. And because baking is perfect, it looks very juicy and not much sugary. but perfect taste, like chocolate coating, then chocolate coating up, and little bit of this strawberry essence there, and too good. So from my side, you can say 9 out of 10, because it is not like very maybe because of baking and all, but I loved it. Mm, go for it. And yeah, cost is 1 real. So for 1 real, really good value for money. And as summer vacations are coming up, so you can, okay, I'm always into healthy eating, and but I got sweet tooth, so I prefer snacking on different kind of varieties. Because I am so biscuits are not a good variant, and my kids are sick of having all kind of Indian biscuits all the time. So I am always looking into different kind of snacks, and this one is definitely, it's a real value for money. Do go for it. And all of these snacks I am buying from London store. It is next to Doha Bank, on Matar Kadim commercial area or commercial road. You search for Doha Bank Old Airport branch, and just next to that this bank there is the London store, and you can find these snacks over there. Guys, our next three products are from a country from where my best of the best friends are from, Pakistan. And these three products are amazing and full value of money. And let me show you. This one I am trying for the first time. This says Shahi Meva. Ingredients say almonds, dried dates, coconut, fennel, flavors and sugar, approximately 6 grams. So I can see, as you can see, this is a very tiny pouch, and let me check immediately. I guess this is for after partying or having your dinner. So something, sometimes you go for gum and all. Okay, so let me show you. It looks like this. So let me show. Oh, tiny. Hmm. Too good. It contains colored fennel seeds. Yeah, coconut. Amazing, and it is very healthy. Instead of chewing sweet laden gums and all, you can go for it definitely. 10 out of 10, or I can say 20 out of 10, because this is one of my favorite. Since childhood we used to eat a lot all these kind of mixtures. In India, we call it mukhwas or sauf or meaty sauf. It is a mix of dry fruits and everything. Yeah, I can see it, almonds over there, and many other mishri is there, and very good, very good. And actually, it comes in a big box called Shahi Meva, and inside this, these pouches are there. 20 out of 10, amazing. Our second last product is from again Pakistan. As I told you about three products, so this one is cardamom concentrated syrup. It is about from herbal extracts like green cardamom, and this one is again this one is 9.50 real, and value for money, and it is 800 mls, I guess. Yeah, 800 mls, and in chilled water, it, trust me, it tastes yum. And again like you need to use only 2 or 3 tablespoons only, and like 2 cups of water in big tumbler, good enough for you go. And it is like a great energy booster, like sugar is always energy booster. And I really loved it, and as you can see that we have already finished a lot out of this bottle. And one of another great product from Pakistan, and very good quality actually. And if you are bored of mango, orange, guava, lemon kind of flavor syrups or concentrated powders and all, please do try it for this one. And again, actually, I loved these Pakistani products, because being Indian, I was always away from these kind of products, and very authentic product and very organic kind of products, not much chemicals. And basically they carry a legacy, and they are very close to it, the flavors and the sophistication of flavors actually. And I loved it, this one. And the next review is about saffron syrup, That is amazing. And do try this product. Again, I'll insist you, these products are all available in London store and just next to Doha Bank, Old Airport branch. And they have a particular shelf for all Pakistani products, and you can ask the shopkeepers, and there are 2 3 inside of the store, and they will guide you through. And please do go for this one, because for with this you can make lassi as well. You can mix it in lassi, flavored amazing. If you are sick of these rose flavor and again other flavors, so do try to add this one cardamom flavor to your lassi or chilled water or chilled milk. Trust me, it is one of the finest buy in Doha right now. Here is the last product. This is again from Kershey's sandal concentrated syrup, and it is made from herbal extract, 800 ml, and halal product. And this is like, guys, you can see this is very little remaining, and within 3 weeks, all gone. And again, you need very few tablespoons of this, and in chilled water, both of the squash, like I showed you, this one and this one, both need extreme chilled water, and you just need to mix, and that's it. No sugar you need to add. And that one, cardamom one brings in, like, it becomes very mild little green, and very happy because not too much color is there. And same with this saffron one. Again, the price is 9.5 reals approx, I guess, or maybe 10 real. And because price chit is removed, and this one is amazing. Like you can see the cardamom one is still there, but half bottle, and this one is almost gone, because in chilled water, super chilled water and super chilled milk, tastes great, amazing. And you can try it for sure. And this summers you can try cardamom and sandal instead of using any other powder form or something like that, because these are authentic, these are from Pakistan, and very high quality product. And definitely I would recommend, again, 20 out of 10, because this one is very amazing, and I really loved it. Fragrance is amazing, taste is amazing, and one of the best thing is that it actually relaxes you. You drink, and if you are having one glass of this, immediately you feel filled up, you are full, and you are ready to go, and real energy booster for me. And I really loved this actually. Please do try, and their products are amazingly good.